Carolina Biological Supply Company is the exclusive U.S. distributor of biopharm leeches, supplying research institutes, hospitals, clinics, medical doctors, pharmacies, and universities throughout the United States. As soon as your leeches arrive, open the container and visually inspect the leeches to verify the number and health of the animals. Make a note of your lot number for future reference. Biopharm leeches are shipped in hiruta gel, a non-toxic substance that keeps the animal in a clean, well-oxygenated moist matrix. Leeches can be stored for 2 to 3 days in the hiruta gel if they are kept cool. For longer-term storage, transfer to a clean container filled with a leech maintenance solution consisting of distilled water and hiruta salt. To prepare the leech maintenance solution, weigh 0.5 grams of hiruta salt into a liter of distilled water. 1 packet of hiruta salt is enough to prepare over 60 liters of leech maintenance solution. Hiruta salt is specially formulated to provide an optimal electrolyte balance for leech maintenance. Mix the hiruta salt in the water until it is completely dissolved. Use of distilled water alone will kill medicinal leeches. You must add the recommended amount of hiruta salt. The Easy Clean Leech container has an inner container with tiny perforations that allow water and small particles to drain while preventing leeches from escaping. Move the leeches to the new container, leaving the hiruta gel behind. A little hiruta gel will not hurt the leeches, but it may complicate water disposal later. The distilled water salt leech maintenance solution needs to be changed every 2 to 3 days, or if the water begins to look cloudy. The greater the amount of water or solution in a container, the less frequently it needs to be changed. Do not dispose of the hiruta gel in a sink. It does not break down and will clog sink drains. If any hiruta gel has fallen into the storage container, make sure not to pour it down the sink during water changes. Instead, dispose of the non-toxic hiruta gel in solid waste disposal. Store leeches in a cool, dark place until needed. They will survive for weeks, sometimes months in cool temperatures. 5 to 10 degrees Celsius is ideal. Refer to the enclosed care document for additional information.